Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the illustrations. That means how we have to calculate the real income and index number of real income with any year as a base year. This is a statement that the following data refer to the income of the people and general index number of prices of a certain region. Calculate real income and index number of real income with 1973 as the base year. So years are given 1973, 1974, 1975, 1976, 77, 78, 79. And income is given 800 in rupees, 819, 25, 876, 920, 938, 924. And general price index number of each year is also given, that is 100, 105, 110, 120, 125, 140, 140. So the first question is we have to calculate the real income, and second part is we have to calculate the index number of real income with 1973 as the base year. So how we will calculate this sum? The statement is like this. Here I have written in column this column, and income is also I have written this one. So general price index is, this is also given, I have written this column. So firstly the question is how we have to calculate the real income. The formula for calculating real income is money income over price index into 100. That means money income is income. Income of 1973 is 800 into 100 over price index. Price index we are taking 100 because the 1973 years price index is 100. So I am calculating, so answer will be 800. Next year money income. Money income is 819 and price index. Here price index is 105 into 100 is equal to 780. Now, next is real income. Real income is equal to money income. Money income is 825 divided by price index. Price index is 110 into 100. That means 750. So similarly, in this way, I have calculated all the years real income. The formula is real income is money income over price index into 100. That means we can also say money income into 100 over price index. This is the formula for calculating real income. Right? The next is, the question is index number of real income with 1973 as the base year. If we are taking this as the base year, then what is the index number of real income? If we are taking particular year as the base year. So base year I am taking 100. The formula will be 1973. For the 1974 we are taking 780 divided by income. That is we are taking real income. Real income is 800 into 100. That means 97.5. Next is 750 into 100 over base year. Base year is 800. So I have taken 750 into 100 over 800 is equal to 93.75. Next year for real income, that is 730 into 100 over base year. Base year is 800. That is 91.25. Next for the next year 1977, that is 736 over 800 into 100. That means 92.00. Similarly 670 over 800 into 100. I am getting 83.75. And in this case 660 over 800 into 100. That means 82.50. This is the column that we have calculated real income with 1973 as the base year. 1973 as base year. So this is illustration. That means in this statements, we are just to calculate the real income and index number of real income with 1973 as a base. Any years can be asked as a base year. Just we have to keep the formula in our mind. That means how we have to calculate the real income. That is money income into 100 over price index. Money income, we can also say the income. If it is income is given, that is the money income. So this is the first illustration. Now I will explain the second illustration. That is, in the statement, the annual wages of a worker along with the price indices. Obtain the real wages indices. That means year is given, 90, 82, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and wages are given 1800, 2200, 3400, 3600, 3650, and 3700, 3750. Then price indices is given 100, 170, 300, 320, 330, 340, 350. So how we have to calculate the whatever we have to obtain? That is, firstly we have written years 1980 to 86. Then I have written wages. Wages is 1800, 2200, 3400, 3600, and this is given in the statement. Price index number is also given in the statement. Firstly, I have calculated the real wages. Because the question is we have to find the real wages indices. Firstly, I will calculate real wages. The formula will be money wages over price index into 100. So money wages is 1800 for the 90-80 years. 1800 over 100 into price index is 100, and in the formula there is 100. We are getting 1800. The next year's 2200 over price index is 170 into 100. That means I am getting 1294.12. The next year's 3400 over 300 into 100. That is 1133.33. Next year's 3600 over 320 into 100 is equal to 1125. And so on. So in this way, I have calculated the real wages. So because only just I have applied the formula, that is money wages over price indices into 100. Then the concept is real wages index. So real wages index, how I have to calculate? I have just taken this as the 100. So for the next years, I will take it 1294.12 over previous. That means I am taking 90-80 as the base. So this is the 1800 into 100. I am getting 71.90. For the next years, 1133.33. And if we are taking 90-80 as the base year, because it is not given any year as a base year, so we can taking 90-80 as the base year. So we are considering 1133.33 over 1800 into 100. That means this one. The next is 1125 over 1800 into 100 is equal to 62.50. Then for the next year, 1106.06 over 1800 into 100, that is 61.45. Next is 1088.23 over 1800 into 100, that is 60.46, and so on. So that means in this question, firstly we have calculated the real wages, then I have calculated the real wages index. Here no year is considered as a base year. If it is not mentioned for the base year, we can take in first year, that is the first 1 year is taken as the base year. So there 90-80 is taken as the base year. So this is the illustration how we have to calculate the real wages and real wages index. Thanks dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with others also.